Hello? Ay, hello?
Hello, teacher.
Hello nga. Good evening. How are you?
I'm happy.
Okay, that's good. What did you do today?
Um,
What did you do today? Today is Saturday, right?
yeah.
Today is Saturday. What did you do today?
Um, um,
You don't know what you did today? Did you go somewhere? Did you just stayed at home, or did you cook? Did you watch TV, or what did you do?
and I go to school.
I'm sorry? You don't know?
I I go to school.
Today?
Yes.
But today is
Um,
Saturday.
I go to school is I was my friend football. Play
You
football.
watch your friend play football.
Yeah.
Or you play also. Did you also play with her?
I was
You watch only. You can say, I watch my friend
I was my friend.
game. Your friend's game only. You watch your friend play football. You didn't join. Do you know how to play football?
Um, mm, no.
On is y- is your friend a girl or a boy?
Mm, mm,
Hmm? Is it a girl, a girlfriend, or a boyfriend?
mm.
You know, girl, like you, girl, boy. Ngak
Um,
ngak. Wait for a while. Okay, okay. You don't know what's girl or boy?
mm,
Do you know girl?
mm,
Girl.
girl and boy,
Oh, do you know girl?
girl and boy,
Uh, it, your friend, how many friends do you have?
many,
Many. What about the friend that plays football? Is it a girl or a boy?
girl and boy.
A girl and a boy. So you have two friends who plays football.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. Oh, gotcha. Okay, where are we now? I think we're going to continue this one, Ngok. And then after we continue this one, we're going to go back to everybody up three. Oh, we just need to finish this one. Okay. So before that, let's review first. I know. Let's not review because we didn't talk about this one last time, right? Okay. So in this evening, Ok, we're going to talk about accessories. Can you please read?
Accessory.
Yes, accessories. Good job. Okay, so tonight we're going to talk about accessories. So when we say accessories, those are the things that we wear. We wear like watch, necklace, earrings, sunglasses, gloves, and belt. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. Now, let's start with number one. What is number one, Ngok, again?
What?
Okay. So, do you have a watch?
No.
What do you have? How do you look for the time, Ngok? If you want to see the time, what do you
Yeah.
use? Huh?
Mm,
You say, I use a clock.
I say o'clock.
It means you use the clock when you want to see the time. Okay? So, clock.
Yeah.
Number two, what is number two?
Mm,
Neck,
neck,
necklace.
necklace,
This is how you read it. Neck.
neck,
Wait. Neck. This is neck. 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 And then lace. Lace. Necklace.
necklace.
Okay. What about necklace, Ngok? Do you have a necklace?
No.
You don't have a necklace?
No.
But do you want to have a necklace?
Mm,
Do you like necklace?
no.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Why? You don't like to put it here around your
No.
neck? Why?
Mm,
I You just say I don't like it.
I don't like it.
You don't like it. Okay. Number three. What is number three?
Earring.
Earrings. You have an earring. You have earrings?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see your earrings, Knock. I don't see it. Is it gold?
Um, it Hello Kitty.
Huh? What did you say? It's gold. I think that's a real gold. Is it big or
Yeah.
small?
Small.
Small. You look pretty with earrings. I don't wear earrings, no. I don't have earrings. I I do have. I have earrings and I also have a necklace. But I only wear them when I go out. When I go to the mall, I go to the mall or to any other places, I wear earrings, necklace, and a watch. Mm. Do you always wear your earrings?
Mm,
Do you wear your earrings always, every day?
yeah.
Yes, you don't remove it?
Yeah.
Okay. Number four,
Uh,
sun.
sunglasses.
Again. Ah, one.
Sunglasses.
Okay, very good. What about the sunglasses, Ngok? Do you have sunglasses?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
How many sunglasses do you have?
I have one sunglasses.
Oh, you only have one. When do you wear your sunglasses? When?
Mm, go to the beach.
When I go to
When I go to the beach.
a beach. You wore your sunglasses when you go to the beach. Okay, okay. Yes, because at the beach it's so hot, right? When you go to the beach, Ngok, it's hot
Yeah.
and then the sun is pointing on you, so you need to wear sunglasses so you can still see everything. Oh. Next, number five,
Uh,
gloves.
glove.
Do you know what's gloves, Ngok? It looks like
No.
this. Let's see more pictures of gloves. Okay, when we say gloves, gloves looks like this. I wait for a while. I wait, wait, wait. Wait. Okay. So when we say gloves, these are gloves, Ngok. Look at that. Can you see the pictures?
Yes.
Okay. Now the question is, do you have gloves?
No.
You don't?
No.
But what about mommy, daddy, or your brother? Do they have gloves? A pair of gloves?
Mother and father.
My dad and my mom. Your dad and your
Mm,
mom.
yeah.
Okay, good. And then, when do they use the gloves? When? Your mom. Since
Mm,
she has a pair of gloves. When did she use it?
mm, the weather is cool.
When he go to when she go to the school?
Mm, mm, the weather is cool.
When the weather is cold, or you can say it when the weather is cold,
When the weather is cool.
cold,
Cold.
my mom wear gloves. Oh, you see it. My mom wear gloves.
My mom wear a glove.
Now, my mom wears gloves.
My mom wear gloves.
Yes. So when the weather is cold, your mom wear gloves. Yeah, very good. Because the weather is cold. So he needs to wear it, right?
Yeah.
She needs to wear it. I'm so sorry. Number 6,
Mm,
belt.
bell.
Belt looks like this. No, look at the picture. Mostly men have a belt. Let's see some pictures also. Belt. So these are belts, no? Uh, Now, the question is, who among your family member has a belt?
Mm,
Who has a
my
belt
dad.
in your family?
My dad.
Your dad. Okay. What about your brother? Does
No.
he have? Oh, he doesn't. Okay. When the when did your dad wear when? Look, help me. When is he going to wear belt? When does he wear belt or a belt?
Uh,
When did daddy wear a belt? When?
mm,
When did he wear it? When is he going to wear the belt?
uh,
Did he wear a belt every day?
no.
So only sometimes, right?
Yeah.
So when is that sometimes? When does he wear a belt? You can tell me. When? When he go to work, when he go outside or what? When he go to work, right?
Yeah.
Oh, when he go to work or when he wear pants. Okay, if he wear pants, so some other men prefer to use a belt. I don't know, to make it look nicer or cooler or they're comfortable with it. Okay, so those are the 6 accessories. Accessories that where you learn. Okay. Now, Ngok, before we proceed with our activities, let's review the words first. Again, what is number one?
What?
Two,
Mm, neck, la,
lace.
necklace,
Okay, necklace. Three,
earrings,
with S. Again,
earrings,
okay, because two. We have one, and two. Earrings. Four,
sunglasses,
okay. Five,
gloves,
again, gloves.
glove,
Yes, gloves. And last, number six,
belt.
belt. Now, Ngok, do you have any question before we proceed with our activity? Do you want to ask something?
Mm,
You have any question or any clarification?
Bạn có câu hỏi nào không?
no,
No, I don't.
no, I don't.
Yes. Okay. So let's proceed with our activity now. Our first activity is you're going to, okay, let's practice the question and the sentence. Like for example, when does okay, I got it. Okay, one more time. Can you please read, Ngok? What?
What does the watch look like?
Okay. And then
It's new and black.
it's new and black. Okay. So let me explain this one. So we have does and do, Ngok, right?
Yeah,
What does the watch or what do the earrings? For does, Ngok, we use does if our noun is only one, no S. There's no S, right? We use does. What does the watch look like? But if our noun has S or more than one, is plural, then we use do. What do the earrings look like? Okay?
yeah,
Okay, so be ready because you're going to answer without any other, you cannot read your answer. This time you're going to make your answer. Just look at the accessories, Ngok, and then say what's on your mind. Okay, you can just say what's on your mind. Like for example, what does the watch look like? It's new and black,
it's,
or it's beautiful, it's pretty, or maybe you can say it's small, it's big, uh, it's thick, it's tiny. You can use our adjectives, the adjectives that we learned during our last lesson. Okay?
yeah.
Okay, so again, number one, what's the question? What?
What does the watch look like? It's new and black.
Okay, number two.
What does the
Ah,
necklace
ah, lace. Necklace.
look like?
Ah, what does the necklace look like?
It's beautiful and pink.
Ah, that's good. Okay, number to, or we can just use pretty ngok, okay? It's pretty. What is that? The other one?
and pink
Okay, again, one more time. What does the necklace look like?
is pretty and pink.
Pretty.
Pretty and pink.
Okay, very good. Number 3. What's the question for number 3?
What do the earrings look like?
Wow, very good. What do the earrings? Oh, you're paying attention. Good job. So what is your answer?
They are mm, small and orange.
Okay. There, what is that? There.
They're small and orange.
Orange. Okay, they are small and orange. Good job. Number 4.
What does the sunglasses?
Sunglasses. What? Sunglass. The number 4, sunglasses. Again.
What do the sunglasses look like?
Yes, very good. What's your answer?
They uh, they
You can use another word.
they
Think of anything. You can just think. Think. There.
they there is they 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 new and yellow.
You used new and new again. No, another word, not new. Another word. Because we have new already. We have to use another one, not new. But yellow is okay. Yellow. But another word. There. Go, go, go. Go, go. Oh, what other words, what other adjectives do we have? Oh. Let me think also. What can I say about these sunglasses? Hmm, go, think, think, think. Go, go, go. What other
Um,
words?
they clean and yellow.
Yes, good. Good job. Oh, see? What is that? There.
Clean and yellow.
Oh, very good. See? Good job. They are clean and yellow. Number 5. What's the question for number 5? Question.
Um, what do the mm,
Gloves.
gloves look like?
Again, one more time. What?
What do the gloves look like?
Uh,
Mm,
what's your answer? It's okay. You just have to think one word because you can say the color already. You just have to choose one word. Find one word.
it's green.
What? There?
Look
What did you?
at
Again, say that again.
they
One more time.
green.
Huh?
They green.
Not only two. Only one color. What's the other one? There.
Mm, they
Go, go, go. You can think any words. Go, go, go. There.
It's long and green.
Huh? What is that? There.
It they're long and green.
Long?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, that's good. That's good. Again, one more time. There.
They're long and green.
Oh, very good. See? Oh, we're almost done. Last number. Number 6. Good job, Ngok.
Oh.
Number 6, question first.
Uh, what does the bell look like?
Okay, what does? Very good. Okay, wait for a while. What does the belt, what does the belt look like? What does the
It
belt look like? Huh?
is dirty and brown.
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's dirty and
Brown.
uh, or we can also say it's dirty and old, right? It looks
Uh,
old, right?
oh,
Again, one more time. What does the belt look like?
it's dirty and old.
Yes. Okay, good job. Clap your hands. Clap. Hooray! You did it on your own. You tried your best. That's so great. Okay, let's see if we can still do the next one. Okay, I know. Let's just go back. We only have 1 minute left. Let's just talk about this. Do not forget, Ngok, ha, if you're going to ask a question about something or you want to know what it's look like, you have to be mindful for the noun. Okay? If it is plural or singular. When we say singular, it means only one, huh? Singular, one only, like watch, not watches. Singular, watch. Plural, watches. Okay? Singular, necklace. Plural, necklaces. Okay? So look for the noun before you use these verb. Uh, is it what does or what do? So you have to be mindful if you think your noun is singular, then does, right?
Yeah.
If it is plural, do. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So I think that's it for tonight, Ngok. Mhm. Good job. High five. High five. Very good. So thank you so much for your time, Ngok. Goodbye and have a good night. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.